What do you think it is?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know? And I did not order anything because I don't even know how to order something.
Dance!
So we're downstairs in the basement and we're gonna open it here. We don't know who it's from and we don't know what's inside, so we're just gonna start opening it. It's hard to open the box because there's a lot of tape. Okay, peel some tape off a little. Never caught anything.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know? And I did not order anything because I don't even know how to order something. I'm trying not to go too deep because I'm scared I'm going to cut something. Okay. Ready? Michael Kors.
Michael Kors? From who? Not from your dad. What do you think? And there's a card.
Yeah, there's a card here. Happy birthday, Nanga Ben.
It's for me.
But it's not your birthday yet.
It's for my birthday. It says, Happy birthday, Ninang Ben. May you have a beautiful birthday celebration and wish you good health. As always, love, Sophia. Oh,
It's
from
Sophie.
from Sophia.
Yeah.
The one that at the chest baby.
Yeah.
That's my goddaughter. Oh.
Michael Kors. On Christmas, she bought me Michael Kors shoes
Yes, she does.
and a leotard.
She did.
Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the box.
She spoiled us. You don't take off. Are you gonna take it off? Hmm?
What
What
is
is that?
this?
What's that? Oh, if you wanna return it.
I don't want to return it.
Just open it. You wanna take off the box? Very nice. Wow, what a big one.
It almost poked my eye. It's Michael Kors purse. Can I open it? Oh, it's so sparkly.
It's nice.
You're gonna love this, Mommy. Because I like it. Even though I can't have it because it's so big.
Be careful.
Look at that. Put that around it. There we go. What do you think is in there? Nothing. Nothing? What is it? What is it?
drying.
Yeah.
Don't forget to put it back in the bag. Okay, go ahead. Wow. Be careful when you take it out. Got it.
Wow. It came with this, and it's, I like these because when you have a toothpick and you poke into it, it makes bubbles. So can I keep this?
What?
Look. You can put your cards in there.
Wow. Okay, good checking.
Wait, did you open that part up or is it just together?
It's just together.
I love these! I
Somebody.
think Prince is scared.
Do it again. Wait. Wait.
Oh, this one has a weird bubble there.
You should wait. I could see him too.
Ready? Okay, show him.
Wait.
Here's this paper. And this side.
Check inside.
There's a tag.
Okay, check.
There's like you could put your tablet in here, Mama.
Yeah?
Look.
Ooh.
You can literally put your tablet in here.
Yeah.
Then you can put coins. I want to see you wearing this.
Oh, yeah?
There's another one here.
Well, you can put there.
You could
Get
put
the
like-
bottle put there.
You could put like which
All
one?
the
Ooh.
little stuff there.
Yeah. Like first you could put like your keys here.
Mm-hmm.
You could put coins and these. No, in here you could put your cards. It's like a wallet in your purse. This looks good on me.
Move them.
Good size for me. I'm gonna borrow this. It's mine now. I could put my tablet in here.
Now you're gonna say thank you to the chit chat.
Thank you at the Chit Chat to giving this to Bobby, even though I'm gonna borrow this. Fashion show.
Okay.
And you could actually see the Michael Kors, and it's so shiny.
Okay. Go back there.
Can we cut these?
After. Okay. I will end now.
So thanks for watching my channel. When we were opening
Surprise.
the surprise that we didn't know what was inside, this bag, what was inside this box from at the Chit Chat, because we didn't know who it was from, and I like the ribbon. I wanna take this. I wanna see the ribbon. Here's the ribbon.
Okay.
Where's the
Don't rip it. Take the picture with a, I mean your bag with a purse.
my new bag? My new bag has arrived.
Thank you, thank you to Chit Chit
Thank you, Ate Chit Chit.
for the gift.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chit. Love you.
I love it.